Hello, 7th graders. I hope you've been having a great week, great day. I have been having a whole lot of trouble with my recordings, and I've recorded so many times I can't remember what I've said and what I hadn't said. But if I remember correctly, yesterday we were doing triangular prisms. We were doing volume, and I didn't really specify what volume was, and I think the recording that I actually used. So I just want to remind you that volume is what is actually on the inside. How much space is it taking up? And today we're going to be looking at surface area, which is the area on each surface, which in this triangular prism, remember I said that triangular prisms, the base is a triangle, and all of the sides are rectangles. And most of the time when they're drawn laying down, which that can be a little bit confusing. But what's going to happen is when we do the surface area, when we try to figure out each side, we're going to have 2 triangles, and then we're going to have 3 rectangles. So what I like to do is kind of sketch out what's going on. Now the sad thing is you're going to have to deal with my drawings, which my drawings are not the best. Miss Alice probably would not be very impressed. It's good, I think, in my opinion, but, leaves a lot to be desired, I'm sure. So when we look at what we've got here, remember I said we've got a triangle plus a triangle plus 3 rectangles. And I'm just sketching out what we're doing because I think it helps keep my thoughts together and helps you keep your thoughts together. So when we do the area of each one of these is what we're doing. So base times height divided by 2. The good thing about the triangles is once you find one of them, the other one's the exact same. So that's good. We don't have to do that but one time. So base times height divided by 2. So the base is 4 and the height is 9. So we've got 4 times 9 divided by 2, which I'm sure you can do that in your head, but just in case. And then we're going to divide that by 2. And we get 18. Okay? So we have 18. So this one's going to also be 18. Now when I look for all of my rectangles, sometimes I like to trace them because I think it makes it a little bit easier. So here's my bottom one. And I hit that 4 and 14. So that's length times width. So we're hitting 14 and 4. So I hope you see that. 14 and 4. So 14 times 4. So 14 times 4. And we're going to get 56. Okay, so I've got that one done. Now I'm going to take this highlighter and I'm going to trace